Hello, today we will learn how to use transport function in MS Excel. Transport function is doing, look, this is one our data. It is expressed in 26 cell and it is column wise data, and I want to do it in row wise. So how it will do, we will again try. First I will delete this and we will select same number of cell in opposite direction. Like this cell we will choose not vertically, in horizontally, same number of cells, and apply formula is equal to transpose tab button array. What is array? Array array formula, in short, array is a formula that get applies to more than one cell. Because you selected more than one cell, here we select more than one cell, and after that we will do control shift enter. Look, this formula change this data in the horizontally. Okay, so why we press control shift enter? Because transfer function is used only array formulas. Array formula, what does that mean? Array formula is used more than one cell. If we are using one formula in more than one cell, then it is called array formula. Okay, keep this in your mind and practice step from 1 to step 4. Thank you.